Hello there, and welcome to this one-off Fusion episode. So, obviously, I've been doing the head modeling, and I've taken a bit of time off with that. It's just sort of low on my priority list. I do intend to finish it, but what I will say is that I think the core of what you're actually doing, and a lot of the methods you'll be using to create the head, if you have chosen to create a head in Fusion 360, I've already taught. I think the remaining footage, it's just showing you sort of how to polish up, and I will upload it, but like I said, it's sort of low on my priority because I've got other things to do, and also it feels a bit monotonous, sort of publishing a bunch of videos with essentially the same sort of movements, but yeah, I will get around to it. But anyway, so with this is actually this is quite a helpful tip that I figured out. So I don't know if you've ever had this before, so let's go modify and fill hole. So I've left this hole on the foot. Let's fill it. Oh, it's gone polygonal. Why is that? This is the problem that I've been talking about. So the polygon problem, yeah, it's frustrated me for years. I never knew what it was, and I got really frustrated with Fusion for long periods of time when I'm working on models, when I've spent hours working on creating this polar bear, and I thought, oh, of course, now it's gonna mess up, and there's no explanation why. Well, it actually turns out there is. So the problem is with line termination. So you see how these lines, they terminate at the side of a surface. These lines are fine. These all terminate at the corner. So so this line here, it terminates at this point, and that point is at the corner of this surface, at the corner of this surface, at the corner of this one here, corner of that one, corner of that one, corner of that one. That's fine. This line, however, it does, the point terminates here, terminates at the corner of this surface, terminates at the corner of this surface, doesn't terminate at the corner of this surface. So that's actually the reason why you'll be getting the polygon problem. So if you weld these vertices, I'm doing it in the most simple way. Let's do that one to there, and that one to there. Go down with that one. Add that to there. So now those ones, and I did the same thing for all the feet. So I'm going to click OK with that for those front 2 feet. Just to show you another way of doing it. So say when I'm welding that point to there, it does sort of disturb. So let me go back and do it again. Notice, just look there. You notice how it distorts what you're doing, and it might distort it near a feature that you need to be really accurate. So there's a workaround for that. Just modify, insert an edge. So let's go over this way. Click OK. It's not going to line up, that's fine. Weld the vertice of those 2 lines, and then terminate the line further up. And now you have the control around your detailed feature, and you might have less control further up, but in a place that's more convenient to have less detail. But anyway, let's terminate these lines. You're thinking, oh, it's gone polygonal, but it has gone polygonal because we've almost solved the problem. Hopefully, there we go. Back to a smooth model. So whenever you see lines that don't terminate at the corner of a surface, like here, just link it up somewhere. There's 2 examples there. do that one to there. That, oh, there was a hidden one there. Are there any more? There probably are. I'm just trying to make sure. How's that looking? It's fine. Terminates. But essentially, that's the issue. If you've ever had that. Now I know that there's one hidden line somewhere on here because I tried linking up this head earlier, and I just don't want to search for it again because I already have a successful model. Not don't save. Not this one. Notice with this one, there's no hole around the neck. I managed to seal the neck, but I've managed to move the problem to here, and here, but it wasn't fixed. So yeah, if you terminate lines at the corner of a vertex, you'll stop getting the polygon problem. That's basically the lesson of today. Let's close that. And then you can have a nice polar bear like version 2. And he's all sealed up and nice, and I can edit everything. And I've even put on a little tail for him. Yeah, so yeah, if you get that polygon problem, just remember, lines must terminate, I guess. That's the rule. And this is a nice solid body. I mean, the eyes are just spheres I've chucked in. Not that that's important to this, but yeah, if you, like I said, get the polygon problem, lines must terminate. That's the rule. Thanks for watching this episode. I hope that's helpful. I guess the problem with that particular issue is if you search for it in Fusion, there's not really like a name that anyone's given it. So I've never been able to find a find a name to search to find the fix for that. But I think it looks polyagonal, so I'm just going to call it the polygon problem, and hope that people find it useful. Anyway, thanks for watching this. I know this was an unedited video, so might be a bit more painful than usual, but I hope you learned something, and yeah, thanks for watching. Right, bye.